Are your tires flat? Are you tired of inflating your tires over and over? Well, not anymore. Hi, I'm Osama Hashmi and I have an answer to all of your problems. The Magic Tire is a type of durable tire specially designed by our experts at Tech Tire to withstand any temperature, any surface, any weather thrown at it. We follow a special principle called Charle's Law, which was discovered by one of our most intelligent employees, Jacques Charles. First, let me give you a background of what we'll be looking at in terms of separate aspects of the tire. Bike tire pressure is measured in PSI, a unit for pressure. PSI stands for pounds per square inch, which basically measures the force on each inch of the tire. When you ride your bike, you are adding to the force and strain on the tire, so the pressure inside of the tire should be sufficient enough to keep it inflated and should also ensure your comfort. Each type of bike requires a different tire pressure, based on the terrain being traveled upon. Road tires typically require 80 to 130 psi, mountain tires require 30 to 50 psi, and hybrid tires require 50 to 70 psi. You may be wondering what this Magic Tire does and what benefits it has. Well, let me tell you. It elevates the PSI levels after the cold winter months automatically, so you don't need to pump them up again. This leaves the tire pressurized with nothing less than the perfect precision, as well keeps them tight and round. This also helps on hard surfaces and increases the smoothness with which the bike runs on the ground. Conversely, Magic Tire automatically decreases PSI levels right before the snow hits at the end of fall. This makes the tire more malleable and gives more surface area of the tire to interact with the ground, providing more traction and causing less slips on the wet, slippery roads. Experts agree that keeping the correct air pressure in your tires is important. In fact, the economic benefits are great. With the right amount of air pressure, your tires last longer, are more efficient, enhance handling, and prevent accidents. Failure to maintain the correct air pressure can result in poor efficiency, reduce tire life, affect bike handling, and cause vehicle overloading. If you consider these factors, then the need to routinely check your tire pressure is even clearer. Now that we know what we're referring to in the tire, let's explore the exclusive discovery that led to the formation of our Magic Tire and what it entails for the professional cyclist. Charles' law assigned a linear relationship to the dependence of the volume of a gas on the temperature, so seasonal changes affect the volume of the gas inside of the tire. As the temperature of the air outside decreases, the volume inside decreases as well. Therefore, tires tend to deflate when it's cooler outside, which is why they must be re-inflated tediously. Remember, for every 10 degrees change in temperature, tire air pressure changes 1 psi. Isn't it so surprising that just a small change in the temperature can really affect your tires and its PSI? Without the hassle of constantly monitoring your tire pressures, cyclists can forget about it and do what they do best, ride. Take it from the world-renowned cyclist, Mike Day. He says, ever since I replaced my regular old tires with Magic Tire, I don't have to worry about monitoring my PSI levels. It's done for me. Now I can focus more on my cycling. Another fun application of this law, exclusively for our loyal audience, is in a bike tire pump. When you compress the air in the pump heats up at the end. Watch a clip from STEM Byte to see how and why it heats up.
Pump something up is that the pump itself actually starts to get kind of warm, 90 degrees, and down here it's just 65. This is because of this thing called Charles' law, which says as you compress a gas, like I am inside this tube, the temperature will increase. Before the pump is compressed, these little air molecules have a lot of space to move around inside the tube. But as you compress it, you've shrunk the space, so the molecules bump into each other way more often, and their average speed increases.
Most retailers offer these tires at ludicrous prices. Walmart even has it at $249.99 per tire. We have a one-time offer for you. If you call within the next 5 minutes, we'll give you both tires for just $89.99. That's right, just $89.99 for 2 original Magic tires. We'll even throw in a complimentary Magic pump for any regular tires you may possess. All free. Just pay shipping and handling. You claim this once in a lifetime opportunity. Just call the following number: 1-800-MAGICTR. That's right, 1-800-MAGICTR. Call now